If for whatever reason your Keurig doesn't have any power or it just shuts off during use, make sure you check your power outlet that you have it plugged into. It may be just overwhelmed. A majority of power outlets, especially in the kitchens, have a reset button, as you can see here. So that you may have just tripped it. Go ahead and push it, and it'll click, and then plug in your Keurig, and that most likely will fix your issue. Go ahead and put your Keurig in another power outlet slot, and it might be an issue with the power outlet. Also, if try another device on the power outlet, like a toaster or something, if those don't work, it's possible that you tripped the power. Go to the circuit board wherever your home is, and then put the go ahead and put the circuit board switch back to normal, and then that should make the Keurig work.